Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome back to our channel Nikhil's Learning World. Hope you are doing well and been practicing on our previous sessions. So this is our 25 number episode on the Kotlin programming series. Okay, and still now you are hope you are enjoyed this series. Okay, so in this video we dive deep into the Kotlin Coroutine Scope. Okay, and understand the difference between global scope, view model scope, and life cycle scope. So what you learn, okay, so what is coroutine scope, why global scope is dangerous, how view model scope works in Android, life cycle scope for UI SAP operations. Okay, so we will learn on this, and this is a must to know the topic for Android developer working with the Kotlin coroutines. The topics like global scope, view model scope, life cycle scope. Okay, so we will see one by one. So let's get started. And still now, if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe the channel and click on the bell notification so you will get upcoming session notification. Okay, and please share with your friends and do like this video. Okay, so come to the point and let's see coroutine scope. So coroutine scope define the life cycle and boundaries of coroutines. Okay, so basically how long they live and they get cancelled. So when a scope is cancelled, all its coroutine are cancelled, and it helps to avoid memory leak and crashes. So that's about the coroutine scope. Okay, so each and every program or a function have their its own scope. Like same way, coroutine it's having same scope. Okay, like global scope, viewModel scope. Okay, and third one is what? Lifecycle scope. Okay, so let's one by one see what the coroutine scope. So what is coroutine scope? As you see, coroutine scope defines the life cycle and boundaries of coroutines. Okay, so basically how long they are live and they get cancelled. Okay, so types of coroutines in Android, there are multiple types. Like first one is global scope. So what is global scope? The global scope that lives as long as the application app processed. Until your application is get open, or I can say alive, the, those way the global scope will live. Okay, for example, you can see globalscope.launch delete 1000 and println running in global scope. So each we can see launch with the launch keyword. We can launch the coroutines and with the global scope. Okay, so problem is what? Not lifecycle aware. Okay, so it just only running until your application is running. That is a global. Okay, it's not have any lifecycle aware, and it can cause a memory leak because it's running only until your application is running. So it may be cause memory leak and runs ever your user leaves screen. Okay, it's run until even if your user leaves screen. That's the main point is here. So use case, so rare case it will be used and app wide background task, fire and forget. That's a dangerous. Okay, we need to fire that and forget. It may be a cancel or it may be a running or not, but it may be running and it causes a memory leaks. Okay, so it sometimes it may be a dangerous. Okay, as compared to memory leak, so that keep in mind. So next one is view model scope. So scope tied to the view model. Okay, so automatically cancelled when your view model is get destroyed. That's only the scope regarding to the your view model. That's a view model scope. Okay, so you can see here an example like a class my view model extend with view model. Okay, so function fetch data view model scope dot launch and val data equal to repository dot get data. So this is all about view model scope. and it's alive. Only the view model is alive. And when view model is get destroyed, automatically view model scope is get cancelled. That's the main point is here. So why use of it? It survive configuration changes like rotation. Okay, when you are ported to landscape your screen, that is a rotation. At that time, your configuration change. Like okay, so it may be your data get crashed. Okay, or it may be your data you are lost. Okay, so that's survive the configuration changes. That's the reason we need to view model scope. It's an perfect for the business logic and API call. Okay, so just think the remember point is like a data and logic lifecycle. Okay, so that's about the view model scope regarding to the your view model. Okay, so third one is lifecycle scope. So lifecycle scope is like a scope tied to activity and fragment lifecycle. Okay, so lifecycle scope dot launch delete 1000 text view dot text equals to updated UI. So why of use of it? Okay, so automatically cancel when your activity or fragment is destroyed. Okay, so that's about the life cycle scope. Okay, so it's regarding to your activity and fragment. When it get destroyed, then automatically the scope of life cycle is get cancelled. Safe call for UI update. Whenever you want to update the UI at that time with your activity and fragment, at that time lifecycle scope is used. Okay, so just use for the UI lifecycle. That's the main point is here. So next is quick comparison in between those scopes, like uh, global scope. It's an entire life cycle as compared to the view model and life cycle scope. Okay, and it's used in the rare case of background task, and it's not get automatically cancelled. It cancelled only your application is closed, or it may be what you can say hard close, then only it will get cancelled. Okay, so it's about the global scope. Next one is view model scope. It's and regarding to the your view model. Okay, and when in use just in calling an API and in business logic, and it may be it automatically cancelled. Okay, whenever your view model it get cancelled. Okay, it's maybe regarding to your view model. And third one is life cycle scope. It's about your activity and fragment. When your fragment it get cancelled, or a fragment or activity it get cancelled, at that time life cycle scope is automatically cancelled. And it's all about life cycle scope regarding to your UI update. Okay, whenever you want to work with the UI, at that time life cycle scope is used, and it's auto cancel. Okay, whenever your activity or fragment get cancelled, at that time your life cycle is get cancelled. So best practice. Okay, so when the u model is scope is used for an API and data handling. Okay, so life cycle scope for your UI updates, and avoid GlobalScope always unless absolutely needed. Okay, that's the main point, because uh, you have some memory related issues with your global scope. Okay, so Kotlin promotes structure concurrency. Everything should be tied to your life cycle. That's the main point is here. Okay, so these are the main three types of scope we have seen in this episode, like global scope, your model scope, and life cycle scope. So hope you understand on that and you have get clear idea with these scopes. So okay, so this is all about the today's session. And if you have helpful this video, please do share and like with this video, and please do comments if you have any queries or any doubts or any suggestions. Okay, so this is Nikhil signing off. See you in the next video.